Have you ever wondered what truly transforms a kitchen from basic to breathtaking? For 2025, the answer is clear: the kitchen island. Not just any island, but one that is both stylish and smart, an element that redefines how we cook, gather, and live within our homes. The island is no longer a simple countertop in the middle of the kitchen. It has evolved into the centerpiece of modern design. Whether you're dreaming of sleek marble tops that feel timeless, hidden storage that makes life easier, or a dramatic centerpiece that turns your kitchen into a showpiece, this year's trends are full of inspiration. From statement designs to sustainable materials, from creative seating to unique layouts, kitchen islands in 2025 are raising the bar like never before. So today, we're diving into the most unique and functional kitchen island designs for 2025, and trust me, you'll want to save every single one of these ideas for your dream home. Let's get started. The rise of statement islands. 2025 is the year when the kitchen island finally takes its rightful place as the true star of the room. Instead of blending quietly into the background, islands are now designed to stand out boldly. Deep, moody tones such as charcoal black, forest green, and navy blue are dominating kitchens, often paired with touches of gold or brass hardware that instantly add luxury. This dramatic use of color and material transforms the island into a centerpiece that commands attention the moment you walk into the room. Another major style making waves is the waterfall countertop, where the surface material flows seamlessly over the edges and down to the floor. This creates a sculptural effect that feels both modern and timeless, almost like a piece of art within the kitchen. Designers are also experimenting with mixed materials. Imagine the warmth of a natural wood base paired with the elegance of marble, or the boldness of concrete contrasted against a polished quartz surface. The result is a look that is daring yet balanced, functional yet deeply aesthetic. Smart and functional features. Of course, beauty without functionality no longer makes sense in modern homes, and in 2025, kitchen islands are smarter and more practical than ever before. Today's islands are being designed as command centers where cooking, dining, working, and entertaining can all take place seamlessly. Many new designs now include hidden charging stations, pop-up power outlets, and even wireless charging pads built directly into the countertop, making them perfect for the tech-savvy household. Appliances are also finding a home within the island itself. Compact wine fridges, microwave drawers, induction cooktops, and even fully integrated mini fridges are being added to maximize convenience. This means everything you need is right at your fingertips, whether you're preparing a family meal or hosting friends for a casual evening. Some homeowners are even choosing multi-level or tiered islands, where one surface is dedicated to food prep and the other is designed as a dining or serving area. This not only keeps the workspace organized, but also creates a natural flow between cooking and socializing. Natural and textured materials. While modern technology is making islands more functional, design trends are leaning in the opposite direction visually, toward organic, textured, and natural finishes. Designers in 2025 are celebrating the beauty of raw, authentic materials such as richly grained woods, earthy stone surfaces, and handcrafted tiles. These details bring warmth and depth into the kitchen, creating a space that feels lived in and inviting rather than cold or overly polished. Sustainability is also playing a huge role. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to reclaimed wood, recycled stone, and eco-friendly finishes. Choosing these materials not only creates a stunning and unique island, but also reflects a growing awareness of environmental responsibility. Imagine a kitchen island crafted from reclaimed oak with a honed granite surface. Every scratch and texture tells a story while blending seamlessly with the latest in contemporary design. This mix of natural beauty and sustainable thinking is defining the modern kitchen for 2025. Seating that feels like dining. One of the biggest transformations we're seeing in kitchen islands is how seating is being reimagined. In the past, islands were often paired with tall, uncomfortable stools that made quick meals possible, but weren't designed for lingering conversations. That has completely changed. In 2025, island seating feels more like dining than perching. Homeowners are opting for upholstered stools with plush cushions, supportive high-back chairs, and seating with armrests that make long evenings at the island just as comfortable as sitting in a dining room. In fact, many families are now foregoing the traditional dining table altogether, choosing instead to extend their island into the primary dining space. Larger islands with generous overhangs provide ample legroom, turning the island into a true gathering zone where everyone can eat, work, or simply enjoy time together. This shift makes the kitchen not just a place for cooking, but the true heart of the home, a welcoming hub where comfort and function come together effortlessly. Custom shapes and unexpected layouts. Not every kitchen is the same, and in 2025, islands are being designed to reflect that individuality. Gone are the days of sticking to predictable rectangles. Homeowners and designers alike are embracing custom shapes that better suit both the space and the lifestyle of the family. Curved edges are making kitchens feel softer and more inviting, while rounded corners help create easier traffic flow in busy households. Asymmetrical layouts are also becoming popular, offering creativity and character while maximizing usable space. For smaller kitchens, flexibility is key. Portable and rolling islands are trending as they can easily be moved or repositioned depending on the need. Imagine preparing dinner on your island one moment, then rolling it aside to open up more floor space for entertaining guests the next. This adaptability makes them especially appealing for city apartments and compact homes, where space-saving solutions are essential. No matter the size or layout, there is now an island design that can work beautifully for every kind of kitchen. Color combos that pop. While neutral tones like white and gray will always have a place in kitchen design, 2025 is ushering in a much more adventurous approach to color. Islands are becoming the canvas for bold, personality-driven shades such as sage green, dusty blue, terracotta, and even deep burgundy. These hues bring warmth and charm into the kitchen while still pairing beautifully with lighter cabinetry or neutral countertops. The effect is a space that feels both timeless and fresh. Two-tone islands are also making a big impact this year. Instead of sticking to a single color or finish, homeowners are experimenting with combinations that create contrast and dimension. A base finished in rich, dark wood paired with a crisp marble surface, or a matte black island offset with a soft white quartz top, are just some examples of how this trend is coming to life. For those who love variety, choosing a bold yet adaptable base color makes it easy to refresh the look of the kitchen over time without major renovations. Hidden storage and creative add-ons. Finally, no discussion of kitchen islands in 2025 would be complete without mentioning storage. Modern life demands efficiency, and designers are responding by ensuring that no inch of an island goes to waste. Instead of leaving cabinets as empty boxes, they are being transformed into highly functional storage solutions. Pull-out racks keep spices and oils neatly organized. Deep drawers accommodate heavy pots and pans, and discreet pull-out bins keep trash and recycling hidden but easily accessible. For homeowners who love to entertain or cook, islands are also incorporating specialized add-ons. Built-in butcher blocks provide the perfect spot for chopping and prepping. Secondary sinks make cleanup more efficient, and sliding or pop-up dining extensions can instantly expand the island into a larger eating surface for gatherings. These clever additions mean that the island is no longer just extra counter space. It's a highly personalized tool that adapts to the unique needs of each household. The top kitchen island trends defining 2025. From bold statement pieces to smart functional hubs, from earthy materials to cozy seating, these designs show that the island has become more than just a part of the kitchen. It has become the soul of the home, where style meets substance and where everyday living feels elevated. So, which idea inspired you the most? Would you choose a dramatic waterfall island to make a design statement? Or would you prefer a versatile rolling island that adapts to a smaller space? Share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to know your style. And if this video gave you some fresh ideas for your own kitchen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more design inspiration.